Hey, you're on the Fact Pack channel, and today I'm gonna pack you with the facts about 7 unusual masks that do more than just cover up. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Face it, masks have become an indispensable part of our lives now. No one can venture out the front door without wearing one, and that's by law if you still haven't caught on. But other than a fashionable reusable fabric mask made to complement your wardrobe or mood, there are also some that look straight out of a sci-fi film. When it comes to mask designs and functions, researchers and manufacturers have dreamed up and even pushed through some fantastical designs. Going beyond 3-ply protection and antimicrobial action, some of these leveled up masks are self-disinfecting with built-in UVC light, while others don't even look like your usual mask. Here's a look at some. It sticks to your face, the WeX mask. Before you ask, what's the point in sticking this tiny piece of 3-ply mask on your face when it only covers the nose and mouth? Well, the WeX mask isn't for schlepping the coffee shop for chicken rice. Instead, it is intended for your appointment with a doctor, beautician, or hairdresser, where a regular mask would get in the way when you need to examine your face, carry out comedon extractions, or cut your hair. Created by Dr. Yuan from Atlas Medical Derma Region Clinic, the self-adhesive WeX mask has a filter in between two hydrophobic non-woven layers. It zaps germs. Living Guard mask. That's no ordinary fabric. The Living Guard mask-treated textile is said to destroy 99.9% of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, according to its Swiss headquartered manufacturer and corroborated by the Free University of Berlin. But first, some context. Ordinary fabric masks may filter off microbes, but they remain alive on the mask surface. Handling and touching the mask can roll out the welcome mat for bacteria and viruses to your system. Living Guard's dual layers are said to be positively charged, which makes them a magnet for negatively charged bacteria and viruses. Once the microorganisms are attracted and come into contact with the mask surface, they are supposedly destroyed, leaving the mask ready to kill more microbes and you less at risk of getting infected. The mask can be used up to 210 times without compromising its germ-destroying ability. Smile. It's see-through leaf mask. If covering the lower half of your face with a mask has led to miscommunication and not being able to unlock your phone using facial recognition, then this transparent oxygen mask-like contraption should solve your problem. Its specs look pretty impressive. Exhaust valve to release exhaled air, activated carbon filter for odor removal, aerospace grade HEPA filter that removes 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, and get this, a built-in UVC light for self-purifying. Unfortunately, this mask is still crowd-surfing for funds on Indiegogo. It translates and transcribes. Donut Robotics Sea Mask. Technically, the Bluetooth-enabled Sea Mask by Donut Robotics won't filter out COVID-19, but the plastic device is meant to be worn over your mask, and its key purpose is to provide transcription, translation, and voice amplification. Using the mask seems easy enough. Press the button on the side to power up, launch the app on your phone, and start talking. Whatever you say will appear as text on your phone. You can also translate the text into 8 languages such as French, Japanese, Mandarin, Vietnamese, Thai, or Spanish. The Japanese startup hopes that Sea Mask would come in handy not just in meetings, where the instantaneous minute-taking function is certainly useful, but also in customer service and medical settings, where speech can be captured and displayed on monitors to avoid miscommunication. It's got nanoparticles, Sonovia Sono Mask. The mask's polycotton blend is said to be coated with zinc oxide nanoparticles using ultrasound technology. Zinc, which has been known to have disinfecting properties, is used in this instance to destroy bacteria and viruses that come into contact with the mask. The Israeli manufacturer claims that tests show the fabric's effectiveness of nearly 99% against viruses similar to COVID-19. It self-cleans with heat using your phone charger. An Israeli scientist has created a prototype mask that can self-disinfect when hooked up to a phone charger. The mask looks like any N95 one, except for a USB port for the power source and carbon fibers that heat up to 65 to 70 degrees Celsius to kill germs. According to Yair Ayaneli, the inventor from Technion, Israel Institute for Technology, a 15 to 30 minute heating cycle is sufficient to clean the mask, but it may take some time before the actual product hits the shelves. And even then, Ayaneli intends for the mask to be used by healthcare professionals first, before targeting the mass market. This one is probably the most interesting. This helmet is created by Toronto-based VYZR Technologies. The Canadian company created a consumer-powered air purifying respirator that filters air and shields the user's personal space. The built-in purifying system filters pathogens, allergens, and pollutants from the air by using N95 filtration. Made with neoprene, marine vinyl, and ripstop, the BioVYZR is completely weatherproofed and weighs 1.25 kg, including the battery pack where it packs its technology into its practical design. Its key benefits include, among others, anti-fogging face shield, high optical clarity and wide-angle view, fan lasts 8 to 12 hours on a single charge, and ultra-quiet airflow. Users can use it at crowded spaces both indoors and outdoors. So, for the end of this video, we collected the weirdest cover-ups that people use to protect themselves from the virus. And if you enjoy watching this video, go ahead and let us know by hitting the like button below and subscribe our channel. See you in the next videos.